Hello students, today we'll study poem Coromandel Fishes, but before we start that poem, I would like to tell you something about its poetess Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was an Indian political activist and a poetess, a proponent of civil rights, women's emancipation and anti-imperialistic ideas. She was an important figure in India's struggle for independence from the British rule. Naidu was given the title of Nightingale of India by Mahatma Gandhi, and she was born on 13th February 1879 at Hyderabad. Now it is in Telangana, and she died on 2nd March 1949 at Lucknow. She studied at King's College London and at Nizam's College also. She was called Bharat Kokila by Rabindranath Tagore. She was the first governor of United Provinces, where she held a seat from 1947 to 1949. She was also the president of Indian National Congress in 1925. She was born as Sarojini Chattopadhyay, and she is known for her literary works as Golden Threshold and In the Bazaars of Hyderabad. Naidu's poetry includes both children's poems and others written on more serious themes, including patriotism, romance, and tragedy. Published in 1912, the poem, very famous poem, In the Bazaars of Hyderabad, remains one of her most popular poems. She died of a cardiac arrest on 2nd March 1949. She was awarded the Kaisar-e-Hind Medal by the British government for her work during the plague epidemic in India, which she later returned in protest over the April 1919 Jallianwala Bagh massacre. In 2014, Google India commemorated India in Sarojini Naidu's 135th birth anniversary with a Google Doodle. Naidu was listed among 150 leading women list by the University of London to mark the 150 years since women gained access to higher education in the United Kingdom in 2018. Thank you.